In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Steam games offline without internet. If you travel, have an unreliable connection, or just want to focus. Steam's offline mode lets you enjoy many single-player games without being connected. The trick is to prepare while you're still online. Then switch the client into offline mode so your games launch smoothly. I'll walk you through the process and share a few simple checks that prevent most errors. Start in the Steam desktop app and go to your library. This is where you'll see your games listed on the left and details on the right. Before going offline, make sure the games you plan to play are installed and fully updated. Check the download bar at the bottom of the window and wait for any downloads or updates to complete. It also helps to click into a games page and confirm there's no update queued or scheduled message. Once you're offline, Steam can't grab missing files, patches, or DLCs, and some titles won't start if they aren't completely up to date. Many games also perform a quick first-time setup the first time they launch, installing components like DirectX or Visual C+ redistributables. If that hasn't happened yet, those installers may block an offline launch. Give Steam a moment to finish any of these background tasks while you're still connected. If you use cloud saves, let Steam sync after you close a game, so your latest progress is stored locally. With updates and syncs out of the way, you're ready to switch modes. Look to the very left of the Steam window and click the Steam menu. From the dropdown, select Go Offline. Steam will prompt you to restart in offline mode, confirm, and the client will relaunch with an indicator that you're offline. Head back to your library, and you can start your installed single-player games as usual without an internet connection. A few tips while you're unplugged. Achievements earned offline will sync the next time you reconnect. Some titles that require always online checks use certain third-party launchers or are strictly multiplayer won't work offline, even in offline mode. If the Go Offline option was grayed out earlier, it usually means downloads weren't finished or you weren't fully signed in. Complete those tasks and try again. When you're ready to reconnect, open the same Steam menu and choose Go Online, then allow the client to restart. That's all there is to it. Prepare updates in your library, switch the Steam menu to Go Offline, and enjoy distraction-free gaming wherever you are.